vider sa boîte à outils, bien la nettoyer et tout ranger, enfin.
The bottom section of the box is on the right hand side. Spare inner tube, cables, brake gears, punch repair kit, and these are crank extractors, freewheel extractors and cassette removal, chain tool, spoke tool, and these are sockets in small sizes, good for brakes, a range of spanners, an adjustable spanner, and some grips, and a zip tie. And in the top compartment, really good wire cutters, Allen key set, grease, some spanners, pedal spanner, that's 15, screwdrivers, and this is in the top compartments, some little bits and bobs. And these are all the extra things I took out.